Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This really does help my channel a lot. Your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Quickly looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.1 trillion, up 3.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 40.5%. As you guys may know, Bitcoin dominance on CoinGecko does tend to be a little inaccurate. As of right now, we are sitting at 43% in Bitcoin dominance. Looking at the overall markets, guys, wow. Insane green across the board over the past couple days. You guys can see another green day within the board, but let's look at the last 7 days. Majority of the cryptocurrency market, all the altcoins are up double digits. So if you were picking up some altcoins when the market was in major fear, there was a lot of bloodbath across the board, give yourself a pat on the back. These are the gains that you guys absolutely deserve. But like I said, overall markets are doing quite well, and very exciting times indeed. But now today, guys, I want to look at none other than one project that we absolutely love on our channel, and that's none other than Vechain. All right, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the price of Vechain right now, it is currently trading at 0.027 cents, up a staggering 10.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, guys. 10.2%. When was the last time we saw Vechain up 10.2%? It's been quite some time. So, it is very exciting to see that happen. In BTC comparative, it's also up 5%. So that's something very nice to point out as well. Market cap is currently sitting at $1.95 billion, right below that $2 billion mark. And the 24-hour trading volume is sitting at 168 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, it is down 56.7%. But most importantly, let's look at the last 7 days. That is up 25.4%. So that's something definitely nice to see right now. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff. Let's cut the boring stuff out and let's get into the exciting stuff, the price of Vechain. And where is it going in the immediate short term? So as you guys can see, we are seeing some sort of relief within the markets right now, especially in the price of Vechain. You guys know we have seen a very boring price movement for Vechain over the past couple months, to be exact. Now we've been chilling below this level of support. So right now, obviously, a level of resistance since May 11th, since that major crash that we have seen in the price of Bitcoin, causing the entire markets to really tumble towards the downside. But since then, guys, we have never seen the price of Vechain really try to touch this level of resistance or try to break out of here, which is at the 3.5 cents mark. And now could be the time where we see that happen, because the markets are coiling up. A lot of, hope is once again coming within the markets and a lot of excitement. But again, we got to be careful. You never want to FOMO in. But if you were picking up some altcoins along with Vechain around that 2 cents mark, guys, let me bring out the measuring tool for you guys. If you were picking up some Vechain around there, you're already up 34%. Now, you may be coming to me and saying, Crypto ZX, that's absolutely nothing. But guys, 34% is still quite a big of gain within just a matter of a month or two, and especially in a bear market. And this really goes to show the importance of dollar cost averaging in. My Vechain supporters, I know quite a bit of Vechain supporters that are in this project. No matter what, they're going to be scooping up Vechain no matter how much FUD it has. Because the long-term perspective, guys, I've always tried to tell you guys this. Look at what Vechain as a project is doing itself. Forget about the price for a second. Let's look at Vechain. Are they innovating? Are they developing? Are they really doing what they were made for? And that really speaks a lot of volume for myself. And I love telling you guys this because that's one thing we need to focus on. Obviously, we're not going to become millionaires or very successful overnight. Obviously, we do want to make some sort of gain out of this, but it requires patience. If we were supposed to be becoming millionaires overnight, guys, I'm sure everyone would be driving Lambos at this point, and that's just not the reality. Forget about what you see on TikTok, how you can become a millionaire overnight. Crypto ZX is your best friend. He's going to come tell you the most realistic thing. That's just not the case. You need to have dedication and, you need to educate yourself and also have a lot of patience when it comes to these markets, whether it's stock market, cryptocurrencies. you need to have patience to really succeed. And right now, we are seeing some sort of relief within the price of Vechains. But this is the major level of resistance that we need to break out of, guys. This level of resistance, if this were to break out, we could really see Vechain pull some major numbers really quick, in my personal opinion, which is at that 3.5 cents mark. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that is a move of about 27% away from where it's at right now. We did try to touch it 2 times, but never managed to break above it. So could the third time be a charm? And if this overall momentum that we are seeing within the price of Bitcoin holds, we could see some very, very bullish moves for the price of Vechain very, very soon. So be on the lookout. I will keep you guys updated. And, if you wanted to be picking up some, Vechain back when it was 23 cents, all-time highs, now might be the time to dollar cost average in if you do have some money that you can invest that you are willing to afford to lose. Now might be the time rather than picking it up when it's absolutely exploding. But looking at the price of Bitcoin, guys, so I can give you guys a better perspective, you guys can see Bitcoin finally broke above that $22,000 resistance level, which I've been talking about for quite some time. You guys know, if you're a regular viewer on mine, I've been always mentioning this 22K price level, and we are above this right now. Very exciting indeed, but we do need to hold this price level for us to really get excited and really say that, this is an upwards trend and not a bear trap. So we need this price to hold for the next few days to really, get excited, in my personal opinion. But so far, we will definitely take that, especially after having a major pullback within the markets over the past couple months. BTC dominance, on the other hand, as I have mentioned, it is currently sitting at 43%, really helping altcoins outperform the price of Bitcoin, which is not coming as a surprise to me right now. But let's look at this right now, guys. This is the total cryptocurrency market cap, and you guys can see we are sitting at $1.04 trillion market cap for the first time ever since June 13th, guys. This is quite impressive in my personal opinion, and this right here is an immediate short-term indication for myself. Again, guys, this is for myself. This is an immediate short-term indication that we are in an immediate short-term bull market. I'm not going to say, we have seen the bottom and this is the start to recovery. Absolutely not. Obviously, we do need to hit certain levels for me to say that. But right now, this confirms, because you guys can see the $976 billion resistance level. We tried to touch it 1, 2, 3, 4th time was the time we broke past it. So it really goes to show how important this really is. And I'm very, very bullish right now in the immediate short term. And if anything were to change, I will keep you guys updated. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys are doing right now. What are your stance? Is this a bear trap, or we have seen the bottom? What are you guys doing right now? And where could you see the price of Vechain go at the end of this year? I would love to know your thoughts down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. See you guys tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX.